Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about the function of the tissue. As we know, there are four types of the tissues present in our body: epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, and connective tissue. First one is the epithelial tissue. So what is epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue from the covering the skin and also lines the body cavity. The location of the epithelial tissue is in the most organs and cavities within the body. Next one is the function of the epithelial tissue. It involves the protection, absorption, excretion, filtration, diffusion and sensation. In the protection, it defends against any kind of the mechanical injury and infection. In the absorption, allow the absorption of the certain substances. In excretion, removal of the waste from the body. In the filtration, the epithelial of our respiratory tract filter out the dirt and particle to clean our respiratory tract. Then diffusion. In diffusion, help with the filtration, excretion and absorption. Diffusion is occur. The next one is the sensation. In the sensation, sensory receptors are the present in the epithelial tissue of the nose, eye, ear that helps in the transmitting the signal from the external stimuli to the brain. Next one is the muscular tissue. In the muscular tissue, it is a specialized tissue in animals which applies forces to different part of the body construction. Location of the muscular tissue in all parts of the body. Next one is the function of the muscular tissue. It involves the movement. The contract in order to produce the movement of the body part. Next one is the support. In the support, help to maintain the body posture in the position. Next one is the protection. In protection, absorbing and redistributing the energy of mechanical shock in the space. Next one is the heat generation. To contraction of the muscle, tissue generate the heat. Next one is the blood circulation, keeping the heart pumping and blood circulating around the body. So these are the function of the muscular tissue. Next one is the nervous tissue. It is also called as a neutral tissue. It is main tissue component of the nervous system. Location found in the brain, spinal cord and nerves. So, next one is the function of the nervous tissue. It is responsible for coordinating and controlling many body activities. It is stimulate muscle contraction, to contract and move the part of the body, to provide protection barrier for external and internal surface, provide the electric insulation to the nerve cell and remove dendrites, carries the message from the other neuron to the cell body. It carries out the communication and integration. Next one is the connective tissue. In the connective tissue are the type of the tissue that binds and support other tissue of the body. Next one is the location of the connective tissue. It is found between the other tissue everywhere in the body, including the nervous system. Next one is the function of the connective tissue. It involves the support, protection, provide. So first one is the support. They support and connect the other tissue with the tissue. Next one is the protect. It protects the delicate organs or all the body parts of our body. Next one is the provide. It provides a reverse energy which is required in the body to work. Then other function involve the transporting substance within the body. Next one is the store the fat, help repair the damaged tissue. That's all about the function of the tissue. We discuss about the connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, and that's all about the function of the tissue. Thank you.